Welcome to the channel. My name is Saul, and today we're going to be looking at the Yamaha FG800M. This is what you would call an entry-level guitar. I like to call a budget-friendly guitar. So we've got a solid spruce top with a layered NATO back and sides. So we've also got a rosewood fretboard and bridge, and die-cast tuners. Of course, these are Yamaha's own. Very smooth in operation. The finish is matte, hence the M in the name, because there's two versions of this guitar. So there's the FG800 and the 800M. It's got a nice binding around the body, black binding. And apart from that, that's, I think, about everything. There's no electronics on board, so just straight acoustic. It's very well finished, mostly. I say mostly because there is one small gripe. On the back of the neck here, it's smooth on both sides, but down the middle you can feel slight roughness. But then again, I suppose we've got to look at the price point. This is an entry-level guitar, and I suppose you'll be paying less than £200 for it. So, you know, pretty good value, I think. But do check that out when you're looking at it. I would suggest you actually try and get into a store if you can, because it's important that you actually, put the guitar in your hands and you feel it. But apart from that, that's my only niggle with it. Everything's pretty good. It's well set up as well, straight out of the box. Stays in tune well, which of course is ideal. And I can't find anything else to fault about it. And I've been playing this for a little while now, and it sounds really good. It actually sounds amazing for the money. It sounds more expensive than it is. So yeah, well worth a go. So what we'll do is we'll just play a little bit through the room mics, which are the Sennheiser E614s, and see what it sounds like. So there we have it. That's the Yamaha FG800M. As you can hear, it's quite a versatile guitar. I think it's good for finger picking, and it's also good for strumming. It's got a very rich sound to it, and I think, as I said before, it sounds much more expensive than it actually is. So whether you're just starting out or you're a seasoned player, I think this will work well. If you're just starting out, it's a very easy guitar to play. It also makes you sound very good. This is another important point. And if you're a seasoned player, I think this is a sort of guitar that you might want to buy, not as a replacement for a more expensive guitar, but as something that you could play anywhere. So you could take it out and about with you, and because it doesn't actually cost too much, you wouldn't be too worried if it got a few knocks. But at the same time, you would still sound great. So I like it a lot. I would definitely buy one of these actually and just keep it around the house.